In this video, I'll show you how to block porn websites on any Android phone. If you don't want access to adult or inappropriate websites, I'll show you 2 easy methods. First, open the Google Chrome browser. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Scroll down to Privacy and Security, then select Use Secure DNS. Change it automatic to tap on Choose Another Provider, then click Custom and choose Clean Browsing Family Filter. This will block adult sites in Chrome. Now, if you want to block these websites across your entire device, open your phone settings. Go to Other Wireless Connections, then More Connection Settings, and tap on Private DNS. If you don't see it, search for DNS in the settings search bar. Choose Private DNS Provider Hostname and enter dns.adguard.com. Tap Save, and now adult sites will be blocked on all browsers. That's it. Now you know how to block porn websites on any Android phone. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching. In the end,